So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, Dr. Play, watching my eyes go away, Dr. Play, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, guys. We are here yet with another one, and this is the third iteration of our series on Tiki inspired Mead. And on this one, we are doing the Mai Tai, which could be arguably the best well-known Tiki drink in the world. And some pretty much say it rivals the zombie. So whether you have it at the 1 spot or the number 2 spot, it doesn't matter. It's a great drink. But for this one, we are going to do an extract, because I am going to keep this simple, and I'm going to show you how easy the extracts could be used. So basically, we are going to do a honey base. We're going to use 2 pounds of a wildflower honey that I picked up out of Nevada when I was passing through. It's called Be Wise. And like I said, we're going to use 2 pounds of this honey. We're going to use 1 gallon of water that we have in the back. And we're going to use some acid blend to help with the acidity that's in the honey, and also help with the yeast fermentation. And we're it's going to be half a teaspoon of the acid blend, and we're using some yeast nutrient. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of this to help with the fermentation, since honey don't have too many nutrients in it. So between this and between the acid blend and the yeast nutrient, it's going to help it get a healthy fermentation or whatever. Like I say, we don't want any off flavors, taste, or profile. And we're going to use some of the lime extract that I made, and hopefully you guys could make some. All you need is about roughly 1 to 2 ounces of lime zest and 8 ounces of some neutral spirit, preferably vodka, since it doesn't really have a taste. And that'll give you your lime extract. And right here, we're just gonna basically go with some McCormick almond extract to substitute for our orgeat syrup. And this is going to be proportionate to taste, and this is going to be proportionate to taste, because basically all we want is our lime flavor that we get from the Mai Tai, along with that little nutty taste that you get from the almond syrup slash orgeat syrup. And that's pretty much it. Using RC212. No particular reason this time, guys, for this one. I just found this pack open, and I was like, well, I haven't used RC212 in a while, so this should be fine for this fermentation. And basically that's it. So now that I pretty much went over the ingredients, there's nothing else but to get into this process. So we'll be right back. So we got 2 pounds of honey, 0.1 ounces or whatever. But hey, it's basically 2 pounds of honey, give or take, no big deal. So now that we got the honey up in here, all we're gonna do is add in the water, mix it up, and then we are going to add the rest of our stuff. Guys, a good cheat with the acupuncture is, if you notice, I don't know if you guys can see right here, it's actually at the 21 ounce mark, 21 fluid ounces. So if you guys go to Amazon and you get the acupuncture, I'm not an affiliate or anything or whatever, it would help, because basically 2 pounds of honey up in this picture is 21 fluid ounces. Just thought you guys would want to know those little facts. So we are going to pour our water, or add in our water into here, and we are going to start mixing. I'm not going to completely fill it up because I want to get the honey mixed up in here, and then once I get the honey mixed all up in here, we're going to go ahead and add our other ingredients. And I wasn't paying attention, guys, but I should have went ahead and either one, warmed the honey up, or at least two, warmed the water up a little bit, and should have went with option 2. But hey, it's not no big deal. It's just going to take me maybe a little bit more longer to get all of this mixed in. But anyways, I'll be right back after I get this mixed up and topped off. Alright, so now we are going to pour our must, our honey and water mixture, along with our nutrients and everything else up in here, into our vessel, or carboy, whatever you want to say. And guys, when you use a good honey, the finishing product should also come out pretty good. You know, quality is also important when you're picking out honeys, you know, to get those nice flavors and stuff that a lot of us YouTubers be talking about on the channel. So you want to pick out some good honey. Now, can you also do the honey from the store? Yep, you can use the honey from the store, and not saying it's not good, but if you give some of your local brands a try, like Local Honey or some of those specialty honeys, you will find out that they have excellent, unique, and wonderful flavors and aromas. And even though this is a wildflower honey, like I said, I picked mine up from Nevada. This has a beautiful aroma to it. So you gotta understand, if we was making a traditional, then all we would have to do is add the yeast, which that's just, you know, what I'm about to do is add my yeast. But after we add the yeast, it'll basically be done as far as a traditional. And you know, whether it go dry or whether it be semi-sweet or sweet, you know, you still got a good base, or should I say you still have a good base. But what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and get my yeast ready, and we're gonna go ahead and dump the yeast in, and we're gonna continue with this process to make this cocktail inspired mead. Be right back, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, the deception, the betrayal, man. You deceived me.
All right. Before you guys try to crucify me once again, and I ain't saying that you will, I'm just saying, or whatever, the video is not finished, or whatever, but I am basically coming back to you guys to let you know, like I told you once before, it's a traditional. So with the traditional, we are letting it go ahead and ferment out for the base or whatever, so that way, like I told you, when we get to this part that we on now at the end, what you guys are going to want to do is get you about an ounce of lime juice, or well, not lime juice, an ounce of the the lime extract that we went ahead and put together, or should I say you guys put together to make, and hopefully that you made it ahead of time so it been extracted out or whatever like that, basically like a limoncello but a limoncello. And you're going to go ahead and take an ounce of that and add it to your mead. Okay, so you're going to taste it. If you taste it and it feels like it got enough lime flavor to you or whatever with the ounce, you're fine. If you feel that it's not enough of the lime flavor, then I would say you can add half an ounce up to roughly 2 ounces to see if that fits your palate, because once again, it's up to you. But like I told you, we're kind of going for a flavor of a Mai Tai anyway. So with the vanilla, or moving on with the vanilla, we are using the vanilla extract. Now, you don't necessarily have to make your own vanilla extract. You can go ahead and use whatever extract that you have available, and you're going to want to start off with half a tablespoon, not teaspoon, half a tablespoon of the vanilla extract or whatever, and you're going to go ahead and add that to it. But that half a tablespoon should be enough to get you a nice vanilla flavor out of it. But when you taste this, guys, you should get a general taste of a classic Mai Tai. Like I told you once before, Mai Tai don't have too many ingredients up in it. At its basic core, you have the lime juice and the orgeat, which is the almond syrup, and they have plenty of other recipes if you want to look it up online and find a recipe besides the one that I designed that's previously put on here, whatever, that I had pop up to show you guys Mai Tai mead cocktail or whatever. So that's on there. But anyways, also a quick update. Guys, I'm about to get on the road. I have videos in store for you guys, but what you didn't know when I said about bringing different content and other things to the channel, by me traveling around the country, I had an idea and a concept of basically what I wanted to do. So I think I'm gonna start throwing stuff on the channel to keep you occupied in a sense, until we get back to making our brews, wine, mead, beer, whatever the situation may be, to let you guys have other stuff that you can check out or whatever to see what I be up to on the road or what I do when I'm out there on the road. And it's honestly been a minute since I've been on the road because there was so many things going on and so many things happening. It's a lot. It's a lot. But I am doing this for you guys. I also want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, as always, because guys, we are at 700 subscribers as of now, and I thank you guys who stuck by me. Like I said, I'm doing my best to keep the content consistent, but you know, also good quality or whatever. Like I said, you guys made some suggestions. I'm doing my best to keep to those suggestions, and sorry if you didn't hear me, but to keep to those suggestions and make everything work out. I'm outside. I wanted to record outside, but to keep to those suggestions and make things work based on the suggestions that you guys gave me. But also at the same time, what else it was, I also wanted to go a few different routes with the channel or whatever. Like I said, I just appreciate all the love. I appreciate you guys sticking by me and subscribing or whatever. Hopefully we get some more subscribers. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 mark, maybe depending on who sees the video. Whoever sees this video, depending on the time or whatever, would understand what's going on or whatever like that. But I wish I can say that I'm going to have a Halloween video available. I tend to love to do my Halloween videos or whatever, but this time I might not be able to get to it, unfortunately, because I leave out in a day to get back on this road. And I'm honestly going to be gone for a bit. So it don't look like I might be able to get the Halloween video out. But to give you a hint what it's going to be, if I can still get it done and put it out at a different time, it's going to be a wine that I call Purple People Eater. And I think you guys might like this. I'll tell you what's up in it. We're going to have lemons up in it for the lemon juice. We're going to have pineapple juice up in it. We're going to have some homemade elderberry syrup thrown into it. And we're going to have a touch of vanilla put into it. I was inspired by a elderberry lemonade that I had with these flavors in it, and it was so delicious. So I actually made this wine before, and a lot of people who tried it was like, hey, you know, if you come out with it or whatever like that, please put the recipe online. So there you go. Hopefully, like I said, at some point in time I'll be able to get to it, but I'm not gonna try to keep this long. I'm trying to keep this video short. Might be running close to 20 minutes, but like I said, you know, you put out stuff, people want to watch it or whatever. Like I said, hopefully you guys watch it. Hopefully you guys enjoy it and understand the update. Like I said, do my best to put some stuff out while I'm on the road, but we gonna stay consistent and we gonna keep some things going. But anyway, guys, thank you for chilling with me. Thank you for looking at the videos and everything like that. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. All right, what's up?